Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mount turkey tail feathers. First, carefully remove the tail fan from the turkey, leaving about 1 inch of flesh at the base. Spread the fan out and pin it to a flat surface. Scrape away any remaining flesh and fat from the quills. Apply a generous amount of borax to the base to preserve the tissue. Allow it to dry completely for several weeks. Once cleaned and borax treated, it's time to dry and shape your turkey tail fan. Lay the fan flat on a piece of cardboard or wood. Use strong pins or clamps to hold the feathers in their desired spread position. Ensure the fan is symmetrical and visually appealing. Place it in a cool, dry area away from direct sunlight. This drying process typically takes 3 to 4 weeks, ensuring proper preservation. With your turkey tail fan fully dried and preserved, you're ready to mount it. Select a sturdy backing, such as a wooden plaque or a piece of finished wood. Position the fan on the backing and mark the attachment points. Use small screws or a strong, permanent adhesive to secure the fan firmly. You can also add the turkey's beard or spurs to the plaque for an enhanced, complete display. For the final touches, consider applying a clear, non-yellowing sealant to the feathers. This will help protect them from dust and environmental damage, keeping your trophy looking great for years. Choose a prominent location to display your mounted turkey tail, ensuring it's secure and out of direct sunlight. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your impressive display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.